We're going to look at how to work with HTML in the Pro version of SpinnerChief. So I've got a small HTML website here. It's a classified advert on Craigslist. So if we get the source of that and copy it, then we can paste it into the article edit window. Now it will stay blank for a bit, and the reason for that is because when you copy an HTML from a web page, there is rather a lot of it, so it takes time to go in. Also, SpinnerChief knows that we're going to be working on this HTML very soon, and so it has to do a bit of number crunching ready to prepare the HTML ready to work on, but it will appear any second now. Right, I think that's in. Yes, there it is. Okay, so if we go into the HTML spin menu, we could choose this option, clear HTML tags. That would clear all of the HTML off, allowing you just to work on what is essentially the text of the web page. So that's if you don't want to deal with the HTML and just want to deal with the text. Most people want to actually work with the HTML and create something that they can repost. So first thing we'll do is identify the HTML tags by using this option. And that's done. And you can see that the HTML tags are now in a lighter colour, so it's easy to differentiate between them and what is the actual text of the web page. Now what I'm going to do is click this option, jump HTML tags when select synonyms. When I do this, that means that when I start tabbing using the tab key, when SpinnerChief sees HTML, it'll jump it all together and just go to the text that is on the web page, the standard text. So if I click tab now, you can see it's gone to the actual text of the web page, and it's gone to the first words that actually have synonyms, great for. So I'll choose ideal for, and then hopefully there's another one, college students, right, university students. Now if I click tab again, you can see the HTML is starting up again. If I click it again, it jumps all of that and goes on to the next set of writing. So that's how you would work on the text, the pure text of an HTML page. So I'm going to click the cursor in here and show you the pictures feature. So it says insert picture, so let's go into there, and it needs a source. So your pictures have to be already published on the web. You can't use a local source of pictures. I've done a search here for George Foreman Grill. I'll go into this one. Let's hope it's on here somewhere. Here we go. So just get the location of that and copy it, and we can now paste the URL of that image into our interface here. We can add alt tags here and actual dimensions that we want here as well, and the alignment, I've got it as random, but you can align it bottom, left, middle, right or top if you want. I'm going to leave it at random. If I just click add new picture, you can see that the alignment is actually in curly brackets in Spintax up here, so it'll align it randomly every time we spin the article. So now if I click insert picture, it'll insert it where we put the cursor, which is here. So straight after the advert, I've now got an image of the George Foreman Grill, and it's going to align it, as you can see here, on a random basis. So let's spin it now and see what happens. I've got protect HTML tags checked because we don't want the HTML spinning. We want something like the web page that we were looking at originally, the Craigslist advertisement. And I've got the still spin brackets in HTML code checked, because if there's anything in the HTML that's in brackets, we do want that spinning because that's a random feature, as we chose random for the image when we inserted it. So if I click OK to that, and it's going to spin 5 versions of the text for us, and the bottom part of the article screen is a browser, so we should see that's the advertisement. There is it, George Foreman Grill, $10. And there is the picture inserted. So you can see how that works. It's inserted it, the picture that we added. It's spun the text of the web page, but it's left the HTML intact. So this is a great way to take HTML and spin the text of it, spin some images, and create multiple blog pages. If you're into auto blogs, it'd be perfect for that. Or just posting the same post to multiple blogs that you have, and keeping them unique by spinning both the text and inserting pictures. It's creating mini web pages, if you like, or mini blog posts with images. So that's how to use the SpinnerChief HTML plugin in SpinnerChief Pro.